ready to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Katipunera by the rail. It's Katipunera in the lead, followed by Arithmetic on the outside. Moving up on the inside, Lara Downs, Kita Nasure, and Never Say No Joe. Rounding the far turn, it's Katipunera by a length and a half, followed by Arithmetic on the outside, then Lara Downs, Kita Nasure, Never Say No Joe. At the far turn, it is still Katipunera by a length and a half, followed by Arithmetic on the outside, and moving up on the farther outside, Kita Nasure, Lara Downs moving up on the inside. And at the top of the stretch, it's Katipunera in the lead, followed by Kita Nasure on the outside. It is still Katipunera in the lead, followed by Kita Nasure on the outside. It's Katipunera and Kita Nasure on the outside. Katipunera by the rail, and on the outside is Kita Nasure, but it's still Katipunera by a length and a half. And finally at the payoff line, it's Katipunera, Kita Nasure, Lara Downs, Arithmetic, Never Say No Joe.
35142.